Hey everyone, welcome to Stepwise Academy. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install any app on your Windows laptop using the Microsoft Store. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and type Microsoft Store. Once it appears, go ahead and open it. Note, if you're not signed in, make sure to log in using your Microsoft account. I'm already signed in here. Now that the Microsoft Store is open, let's try downloading an app. Click on the search bar at the top and type Instagram. When you see the Instagram app in the results, click on it. Next, click the Get button. This will start downloading and installing the app automatically. Wait a few moments for the process to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Open to launch the Instagram app. From here, you can log into your account and start using it just like on your phone. To make it easier to access in the future, go to your taskbar, right-click the Instagram icon, and choose Pin to Taskbar. That way you can open it with just one click anytime. Now let's install another app, this time Spotify. Go back to the Microsoft Store, use the search bar, and type Spotify. When you find it, click on it. Click Get to download and install Spotify. Once it's done, click Open to launch it. You can now log in and enjoy your music right from your laptop. Just like before, right-click the Spotify icon on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar for quick access. And that's it. You've learned how to easily download and install any app from the Microsoft Store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.